stop. What if the money you're chasing is pulling you further from Jannah? You work hard, you hustle, but is it halal? If you've been praying for a way to earn without compromising your faith, this video is your sign, because today you'll discover 10 powerful, 100% halal business ideas that not only bring income, but bring barakah. Assalamu alaikum. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5 grind, this list is designed for you. These are real businesses based on Islamic values with the potential to give you freedom in this life and the next. And number 10, it might just be the one that changes everything. Let's begin, Bismillah. 1. Online Islamic store. Selling Islamic products, Qur'ans, prayer mats, modest clothing, hijabs, beard oils. Online is a beautiful way to earn. It's profitable, scalable, and spiritually rewarding. You're helping others practice their deen and earning a living. Win-win. Second, halal catering or food truck. Food is love, and halal food is in demand, especially in non-Muslim countries. A food truck catering for events or meal prep business can thrive. Just ensure your ingredients and process are fully halal and tayyib, pure. Bonus, you'll never run out of customers during Ramadan events. 3. Islamic education platform. Start a business teaching Quran, Arabic, or Islamic studies. You don't need to be a scholar, just skilled in one area and passionate. You can create courses, tutor online, or even start a kids' Islamic learning app. Knowledge is sadaqah jariyah, teach once, reward forever. 4th, modest fashion. Brand fashion doesn't have to be haram. Muslims, and especially youth, are looking for modest yet stylish clothing. If you have an eye for design or sourcing, create a brand that reflects Islamic values without compromising on quality. Start small with print on demand. Scale with social media. 5. Halal investment consulting. Many Muslims struggle to find halal investment options. If you're good with finance, you can start a consultancy helping people grow wealth Islamically without interest or unethical companies. Help them invest in halal stocks, real estate, or gold. 6th, Islamic app or website. Think of how many times you open prayer time apps, Quran recitation, or reminders. What if you built one? You don't need to code, you can hire developers. Make something that helps Muslims stay on track and monetize with ads or premium features. 7th, halal e-commerce dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping can be halal if you follow Islamic business ethics. No lying, no selling haram products, no deception. Niche down to ethical, halal goods. Organic products, Islamic gifts, modest wear, or natural health. Start with Shopify or Etsy. 8. Digital Islamic art and calligraphy. Do you love design or calligraphy? You can turn your art into prints, digital downloads, or home decor. Many Muslims love decorating with beautiful reminders, ayat, hadiths, or 99 names of Allah. You can sell on Etsy or your own website. 9. Halal coaching or counseling. Mental health, fitness, relationships. People need guidance through an Islamic lens. If you're certified or trained, start offering coaching or counseling that aligns with Deen. You can even create a YouTube channel to build trust and grow. 10. Content creation. YouTube, podcast, blog. This one's close to home. If you love storytelling, teaching, or inspiring, start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog focused on Islam, lifestyle, or Muslim motivation. Monetize through ads, sponsors, and products. You're spreading Deen, impacting lives, and earning halal income. Now ask yourself, which idea spoke to your heart? Drop it in the comments below, and let's inspire each other. Share this with someone who's searching for a halal way to earn. And remember, success doesn't come from hustle alone. It comes from hustle with taqwa. Barakah follows when you put Allah first.